General Constantine Chiwenga is the next president of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Not maybe, not possibly, not if circumstances permit, not subject to amendment bills, parliamentary arithmetic, or the preferences of commercial networks that have confused their bank balances with political permanence. Next, full stop. Sarabina mashikobudai toka panapa na retired Lieutenant General Winston Sigauke Mapranga, but Chiwenga is the next president of Zimbabwe. Never subscribe or like it on the bell icon and let me be equally clear about the timeline. 2028 elections is scheduled as constitutionally mandated as the people of Zimbabwe are entitled to. Not 2030 nonsense, not 2031, not after a referendum that nobody asked for, nobody wants, and that over 90% of Zimbabweans have already rejected in their hearts, even before the ballot paper is designed. The Constitution of Zimbabwe, the same Constitution that KEF3 is designed to mutilate, is ambiguous. Section 328 is unambiguous. The 2-term limits is unambiguous. The requirement for a referendum to extend a sitting president terms is unambiguous. 2028, not a day later. On what KEF3 nonsense actually is, I have said this before and I will say it again until it is heard in every corner of the Republic. KEF3 is not a development instrument. It is not a continuity agenda. It is not about Vision 2030 or boreholes or solar panels or hospital refurbishment, worthy as some of those programs are. KEF3 is a blocking mechanism. It has one primary political function: to prevent General Constantine Chiwenga from ascending to the presidency through the direct popular vote that he would win. Everything else is economic arguments. The development continuity, the narrative, the liberation history revisionism we had from Chinamasa is dressing. It is the packaging on a product whose contents are the permanent postponement of Zimbabwe's constitutional succession reality. The architects of KEF3 know that in a free, direct, popular election in 2028, General Chiwenga wins. They know it because the people know it. They know it because the security establishment knows it. They know it because even inside ZANU-PF behind closed door, away from the cameras, in the conversations that happen between people who trust each other, the succession reality has one name, and that name is General Chiwenga. You do not spend this much political capital trying to change an election system unless you already know you cannot win under the existing one. Roma developments are buda pangwa inwe atogona mageneral vachiti aiwa Chiwenga aiwa he is the next president. Challenge yapo kune zvigananda pangwa ine todze mafunguro enyu mari kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi na comment section medu za funguro enyu. So subscribe or like up on the bell icon.